Imam Tantowi.
We were young, posters on the wall, praying we're the ones that the teacher wouldn't call. We would stare at each other, cause we were all in trouble. And all the cool kids did their own thing. I was on the outs, but always looking in. Yeah, I was there, but I wasn't. Never really cared what was in. We all need that someone who gets you like no one else, right when you need it most. We all need a soul to rely on, a shoulder to cry on,
Imam Tantowi. Imam Tantowi.